Hello. So this is a demonstration of the batch numbered picking process, also with some examples of how the pick attempts will be created where the items are batch numbered. So we select our pick lines. All this is the same as usual, and we're going to pick our next item. Okay, so when we scan our product, it's batch numbered. Beep. We're presented with a list of batch numbers for that item in the current location. So I'm going to scan that first batch number first. Beep. And there's only one available. So I'll select one and enter. And now it takes me back to the list of batch numbers so that I can continue picking the remaining items. So this time I'll scan batch number 2. Beep. And I've got 2 left there, but I've only got room in my current pack to fit 2 boxes. So I'm just going to enter 1 there and then click on enter. And you'll see that's reduced that by 1. I've picked 2. But at this point, I'm going to put those 2 boxes into a pack. So I'm going to select finished. And now I am prompted to scan the pack. And I'm going to put those 2 cartons into current pack, pack 100. Beep. And that takes us back to our product screen. But now we can see we've got 2 pick attempts showing up. So we put 1 of batch number 1 into pack 100, and we put 1 of batch number 2 into pack 100. And now I can scan the item again. Beep. And we're back to the batch number quantity screen. So I've got another one of those available, so I'll scan that. Beep. And select 1 because there's only 1 left. Enter. And that takes us back here. Just for the sake of an example of how our pick attempts are being created, let's choose to finish this one here. This time I'm going to scan pack 101. Beep. And that takes us back to our product screen, pick screen. And now we've got this extra pick attempt showing here. So we've got 1 of batch number 2 in pack 101. So we already had these 2. We had 1 of batch number 2 in pack 100, but now we've got our other batch number 2 in pack 101. And now we've still got 1 left to pick, so we can scan our product again. Beep. Go back here, and we've got batch number 3 available, so I'll scan that. Beep. We only need 1 more, so 1, enter, and I'll pop that into pack 101 as well. Beep. And because that was the last product required, it takes us to the next product in the pick.